Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder with $50 in prop money. So let's get started. Saving for the holidays. We are going to start with Christmas. Let's move some stuff around. Let's see. Let's put that there. All right, let's see how many we can do because Christmas is on my mind. Let's roll and see. 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, $8. Let's do a few. So that's 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for 12. We're gonna stop there. Should I do another one? I don't know. So let's go 10, 11, 12, because I need to finish this for Christmas. Let's see. How many weeks we got left for Christmas? I don't know. Let's stop there for now. And that is created by Snow Garner 307. Next we have birthday savings. Ooh, do I want to start this one? Yeah, we can go ahead. This is created by Budget with Carly, say $75. My bells don't jingle without coffee. Oh, I left my coffee over there. I better say it sure don't. Because I got me a cup of coffee. I love a cup of coffee. Ooh, $10, Carly. Okay, and what's it, 75? So $10, starting this one. Some of these I am trying to finish because I want to get together my 2026 binders. I'm still trying to brainstorm, trying to get it together. I think I kind of know what I'm going to do. Switch it up for the new year, you know. All right, so ooh, this one more left. This is for Easter. This says $55, created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Ooh, $8. All the big numbers today. All right, $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's see. We have 20, 40, 5, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55. Yes, $55. That is done for Easter. So let's go ahead and mark that down. What did I do with my pen? I'm just going to use this one. So plus 55. So that is going to be, oh Lordy. That is going to be 105. Save for Easter. And the goal is 200. So we got to put another challenge in here. All right, next we have is, I put in Father's Day and Mother's Day but I think I'm gonna hold off and finish and do some more on the other ones because, like I said, I want to complete as much of these for December so the new year I can start my new binder. So let's do some more for Christmas. Let's see, we still got a couple dollars. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, $12. So 10, 11, 12. So we got like $8 left. We can't scratch another one. should we do another scratch for birthday? Could we finish Easter? Yeah, I guess. Ooh, I don't know the amounts on here. These is kind of high. Hopefully we don't have an IOU. Let's see. 2, 1, 2. Oh, $7. Thank goodness. So 5, 6, and 7. So that was $17 put in for a birthday. Perfect. And then we have just $1 left. We can put that into our buffer. This binder is just, it's going down. I can't wait to start like a whole like refresh for the new year. Cause we guys been going strong for the year of 2025. I can't wait to see what 2026 holds. So $1 there. Perfect. So let's put that $1 in. And then we got 3 more spots left. Perfect. All right, that was quick and sweet, $50. Like I said, I'm gonna hold off for Mother's Day and Father's Day because I want to start fresh for the new year. But we finished Easter, so we'll have Easter, a new challenge in there. We got birthday, and then we got Christmas. So we only got 3 to work on. Or really just, should I put another one in for Easter? We might. So we'll have 3 more challenges to put in here for Easter. Okay, we will see. I mean, for the holiday binder. But we shall see. That is it. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.